Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing cash envelope stuffing. I absolutely love these videos. I haven't done enough of them. I used to do them all the time. And I've just had so much going on behind the scenes and with my budgeting and trying to get back on track that it's really been a struggle. But I'm still at it. I'm still working on it, and I still enjoy sharing the experience with you. So today, as you can see, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes. Not all of these, honestly. I do have quite a bit that I will be stuffing into the ones that I need to. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by putting my denominations out, and I actually don't have a lot of denominations today. I just have two. So I have 350s. And I actually initially had 4, but I used 1 for a transaction before I got home from the bank. So that is my 350s. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 $100 bills. So I have quite a bit that I am stuffing here. This is actually part of my fund from my tax refund that I am putting towards my savings. You will be seeing what I have designated for those things today. So starting with Christmas, I'm going to be setting aside $500 for my Christmas goals for this year. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I started off actually saving 100, but I had to end up using that towards a purchase. So I am also basically using this to make up for that and add some more to my balance. Let me write in how much I have now. Today is 4, 8. Actually, I should have did the withdrawal for the other one and actually just have 500 in here right now. My goal for this year, I think, is about 3,000. So I have quite a ways to go, but this will definitely be a step in the right direction to get me back on track for where I am this year. That is Christmas. And then I also have car expenses, and I'm planning to buy some new tires soon, so I want to actually add towards that. So I had a deposit there, and then I ended up using that towards my car. So now I am adding in $700 for that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, the first 100 I think went towards my oil change, and now this will go towards new tires for my car. So I'm going to put this in for 8 deposit plus 700, which now gives me 700 towards my 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, these new bills, I want to make sure they're not sticking together. So that is 700 towards my car expenses. And I'll probably go back later on and color in towards my goal. I really don't have an official goal for this. It's just to continue to collect money towards things associated with my car. But I do like the idea of just trying to color it in to show that I'm making progress. So I'll do that offline. And then the next one is actually my emergency fund. So I had $100 in here, and I ultimately had to use that as well. I'm just going to note that here, and then note today that I'm actually replenishing the entire goal amount, which is $1,000 towards my emergency fund. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, $1,000. So that is $1,000 that will be going into my emergency fund, and that was the goal for the year. So this is essentially complete for now. So I'm going to go in and fill these in later on to show that I have fully funded my emergency fund for the year. And if I need to borrow from it, I will obviously continue to replenish it as I use it throughout the year. So that is my emergency fund. And then last but not least, I actually had $220 that I was planning to put into my miscellaneous envelope, which is here. I actually keep this in my wallet, and I use 70 of it today toward eating out with my daughter. So I have $150 left to go towards that. And that will be going into my miscellaneous envelope. And those are my stuffed cash envelopes for this pay period. Not quite as many of them, but a large denomination to be putting towards things, and definitely a great step in the right direction in terms of saving for my long-term goals. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care, friends.